Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Melodies TV. So, M say for it will be for this week, the whole of this week, and we'll be talking about this particular matter. Western Togoland, for instance. M say the attack on the police stations, the shooting of the police commander in Sensembebre. Now, I brought you a breaking news. I'm say a post for it to me actually 31 people are used to say one more eka Western Togoland for ne ho. Na em say ende na yede wo mo e court. Na wo mo court no de ebe mu and say some of them are 7 young men who were part of the 31 allegedly wo mo eka Western Togoland for ne ho no. And then ye mo and ye omo court ye omo remand no na wo mo esu. Now I'm come to tell you what actually happened in court. Once Ghana the Asemba na esisa na pre ho e bi Asemba na esi ekoche nkrofo a. As far as for me Melodies, I am concerned, and the number of times I've reported on cases like this, they be me hu say Asemba na eche nkrofo sana ebekwa ko reach no na investigations ama ye release ebimo ntende nkrofo 31 yachi and then the 31 people that have been arrested no, those 31 make me actually say enye wo mu ni na na ebia wo mu edi sa abone no, because after investigations den koso ntino at this point in time they are just suspects. Now asem ni wo mo court na ye de wo mo court no em say wo mo so enya lawyer obi ebaya wo begine mu ema wo mo ni din de Theophilus Donko. Na asemo Theophilus ana o de answer na meba asemo Theophilus Donko e kan wo court no, prosecutor your friend assistant superintendent Sylvester Asare. Now if you've been following my channel for a very long time, when him say Sylvester Asare ya kan ho asem major cases efa aban ene nkrofo ho no ono ana trese olidi na one case no onu no olidi wo hwe nkrofo bia yeka so mbeye coup d'etat onu no olidi case no em say ofanko killer em so no so inti case we onu anso na trese olidi onu no ye prosecutor inti asema wode ebetu dwa ene say court ne kra wo mo aba no enye say bi o mo aba court say nkrofo no ye baba be sha say ye try mo investigations koso na senia de bia as practice demands no e was say ye den nkrofo ne koto remand na investigations no ye ni ehu asem ni mu ne kra na de ntia ye den nkrofo ya ba court ene say Ghana ha say kra na emra wa ha say wuchi obi a emma nipa ko no what the custody of police or BNI for over 48 hours. It was said in the Pakuno Eco Court. Now, court stress a month and to remand that, then and the chest and the Pakuno officially, the Nakwa to remand the Dentia or mobile court NSA because they don't want to go against that law. A what Ghana no. Because in Grofuni, Mama, as I said, they are in the custody of BNI, and Braya arrested or mono. Yet you are more eco share BNI for custody. Now, young Kwasem Nimu. Now, the prosecutor, Sylvester Asare, or can some way in Nari, you know, and I'm Crawford so one lawyer, your friend Theophilus Donko, sorry, and Ocasa. Now, most 48 hours rule now, more Cassa no Huntimodi or more back court in the crano, Mukra, marching Crawford to custody even more than 48 hours. So, what are you talking about? Mind you, the prelims, Yaraka Siciano charges are. Eda yenim say nkrofo ye dey charge womo any conspiracy to commit crime, rioting with weapons, and participating in campaign of a prohibited organization, namely Western Togoland, and to attend meeting of same. These are the charges ayede airborne. Say conspiracy to commit crime, rioting with weapons, and participating in campaign of blah blah blah. Now, womo lawyer no ono so na argument what can they say nkrofo no yamo mu bill na Ghana ha say assembly ni hwa yemma bill the people are entitled to bail. Inti at some more police one can say ane and the moba some man remand no. Yes, remo judge to go na my young crow for the bail. Now, judge na what say assembly so and judge what say assembly so. I'm say your friend no her lordship. I don't know whether or your buyer can her lordship there, but your friend Miss Rosemary Ba Tosu. Ono na what say assembly so. In some way ni na ekokoso ewo court nkrofo no wo mo lawyer nso ekeka nsem o keka nsem e na wo mo lawyer no o kan nsem se nkrofo ya chi omunyi police fa hyede akwa akwachi nkrofo bi keka ye be ka se nkrofo ye Togoland fo na nkrofo yi a ye di omo ababeji na court ndei wo mo nka sa Togoland fo ne ho nkrofo ye nkrofo bi a na ebi mo ekwa akodiga ebi mo kra na omo kwa akodware ebi mu nso chese wo mu de adwane ekwa akoma chese saa adwadifo ne saa nyama no ebi mu nso no mu ko efuom ya ne se police force ya be che omo se mu ye Togoland fo nti ye de mu court nti grofu se me wo kan bia so nti omo lawyer na eka saa asem no so wo kan bia police ne se wo onte na nkofo ya kwose se omo 31 adwadifo wom obi a wo digwa ono na asem ne mfa ne ho obi a no so ko ni fuom asem ne mfa ne ho obi a no so wo dware ya kwa akwache ne se wo ka ho. It's according to the defense counsel no yenja nkrofo no yem at least yem mo bill because humundi boni bia no wo wie ye no e na wosan so appointed one of the suspect bobom na sa suspect no yo ba a wo ye 19 years e na appointed suspect ne che judge ne say judge hwe oba we ya ye ka se wono nso wo ka ho obi a wedi 19 sebe ahoden ben e na wo ba a wedi 19 no wo a wo de bekwa akokare etio ana wo de bekwa akoye sa nyambra nsem ankrofo yi eyeye se yenkopo police fotio yenko sisi police fotio wo se wo ba na wedi 19 years no ahoden ben no wo a obetumi ede akodi se edwuma no nti ene kra no e wo se judge ni hu no se eye wrong people ene ya chi omo ba nini na emu no wo mo wie no mo kan se BNI custody na ede nkrofo na akoshe no one wo relatives they are not being allowed to visit them yemfe diane so embrel mo nti wasra judge no odie se bail no na judge no won mo kra na won de omo ba se judge mo bail ba judge no se bail no na won mo kra na at least mo relatives embram be hu omo some of them are still young nti in some way na eye defense lawyer no o kan ya na judge ni ka say okay asem no yeguso eye investigation nti bail they want to me ma nti nkrofo no wo mo enkokọ da remand but wama prosecutor no warning any police may be an enforce say nkrofo no se won awofo ana wo mo relatives bi apese wo mo besra wo mo a mo kwan si ye pese edi edwane ebre wo mo a mo kwan nyemfe edwane na embre wo mo but they are still in remand ye do mo still akwa to remand ye say on 13th of October wo mo embre court biom na by that time the yenhwe investigations bibia ebia aban edi investigations no edru na chese yenhwe de yebeye because the prosecutor enso editor ja say sisi aye kasekra no BN9 any police for ewo grounds ewo voter region wo mo ye investigations ebia by 13th no na investigations ni na ba na ehu ne senkrofo yi ne krese wo mu ni na ka ho and I'll tell you muni amobeka ya Major Maxwell Mahama na asem ni si ye ne ye be chinkrofo bebre at the end of the day a lot of people were released after several months of being in remand. A lot of people were released. Nancy Yanso Kaswa last year. Kaswa branch na wokokun eye police for me no. Once or no so sa ye betin krofo bebre but later ye be releasing krofo bebre. Nti asem we dey e betumi aba say investigation be show say okay asumesi won ka ho e bia investigation be show say oba no onka ho ana ebia woba no woka ho sansem ni na nti de eda ho no netiefo monche mo adwen ewo eye comment box ni mu nti no asem ni si wie san no na afei 7 of them young men na afei wo musu na enye easy because asem aba beto mo so no but you see let's be mindful of the comment because so a wo musu no na Ghana for bebre na pass comment say ane wan so ma mo say munko di sa abone no mesremo they are suspects. Into no let's be mindful of what we say. A bit to me about say the person was just the person wasn't part, but the person was just at the wrong place at the wrong time. That's what I say.